Welcome to our detailed look into Story Diffusion, a project that enhances AI's ability to maintain narrative consistency in video and image generation. Introduction. We're delving into Story Diffusion today, an open source project that's advancing the way AI generates and maintains narratives over long sequences. What's new? Let's first check out the recent updates to Story Diffusion. The project now supports enhanced character consistency across video sequences and improved motion prediction. How it works. Story Diffusion operates using a consistent self-attention mechanism to ensure characters remain unchanged across frames, paired with a motion predictor that accurately models dynamic scenes. Results. The effectiveness of these methods can be seen in the output videos and images that demonstrate complex narrative continuity. Behind the news. This technology was developed by the H-Vision NKU team, who have utilized their expertise in machine learning to tackle unique challenges in AI-generated storytelling. Why it matters. The implications of Story Diffusion are significant, offering tools for more coherent AI storytelling, which could revolutionize animations, game design, and interactive media. Future possibilities. Looking forward, the technology could lead to more sophisticated AI-driven narratives in virtual reality and interactive cinema, enhancing user engagement and experience. Conclusion. We've covered the core functionalities and potential of Story Diffusion, highlighting its role in pushing forward the capabilities of narrative AI. Call to action. If you find this project intriguing, consider contributing on GitHub or experimenting with the code to see how it might benefit your work in AI.